Blimey, it's really hot. Really hot today.
Oh, you're telling me, Governor? When the Queen sent us here on holiday, I didn't know it was going to be this hot. I'd have taken me hat off.
Hello, mate. I'm from the Metropolitan Police. My name is Bobby. What's your name?
Alright, Bobby. I'm a Queen's Guard. My name's Vincent. Pleased to meet you, Bobby. Did the Queen send you here and all?
Yeah, I've done like all the tour. I've done so well that the Queen sent me away on holiday. And the thing is, Bobby, do you always have your back to people when they talk to you?
I thought your name was Bobby, not mine.
You're right. I think I've got sunstroke. That's right. My name's Bobby. What's yours?
Oh, already told you. You're mine. Death.
Your name's Death? I must be Mutton.
Vincent's my name.
Oh, Vincent. Oh, by the way, Vincent, as I said, do you always turn your back on people when they talk?
I do, because I'm a guard. I'm a Queen's Guard. That's what we have to do. Stand to attention. I can never get that out of my system, even if I am on holiday.
But I'd like to see what you look like, Bobby. Turn round, please, mate.
All right, then.
Hello, Bobby. Pleased to meet you.
For the fifth time, my name ain't...
Hello, Vincent. Pleased to meet you. What kind of handshake's that, mate?
Or is this big hat? I'm not Mexican or nothing.
You sure? You're not going to do a Mexican wave, are you, Bobby?
Well, I might.
All right,
if
then,
the Arsenal win the double.
Oh, right.
I do like
yeah.
the Arsenal.
So I'm a lovely. I'm a gooner as well.
Oh, might have seen you up there one time at the Emirates.
Yeah. Sometimes, you know, I do the beat round the Emirates. You know, when it's a busy day.
Oh, I don't get up there much. Not these days.
Nah. All right then. Well, how long you here for then?
10 days, you?
Oh, mate, I've only got 5 days left. I can't wait. It's a bit hot for me.
Yeah, and me.
Well, you know what, Vincent? It was a pleasure meeting you, my fella.
And you, Governor.
And if I ever see you in the streets of London, I'll blow my little whistle, say hello.
Please do, Bobby. Nice to meet you, son.
No problem. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go. I think I'm going to have a little dip. All right?
All right, then.
Take care. Cheerio.
Bye. All the best. All the best.
Oh, this is beautiful. This is magic. This is. Oh, wait till I tell the missus and the kids. Oh, what a swim. Oh, God bless you, Queen and country. All right, then. Thanks for watching. Till next time, this is Bobby signing out. See you later. As we say in the East End of London, baked potato. That's later to you. Bye-bye.